In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the WooCommerce plugin fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just getting started, keeping your plugins up to date is crucial for maintaining the security and functionality of your website. Now, let's walk through the process together, ensuring you have the latest version of WooCommerce installed on your website. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage everything related to your site. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. This is where you'll find all your administrative tools, and from here, you'll be able to carry out today's update. Now, look for the option labeled Updates. It's usually located towards the top of the menu. Click on this link, and it will take you to a page that shows all the current updates available for your WordPress install, including themes and plugins. Here you'll see a list of all your installed plugins and their current update status. It's important to note that if all your plugins are already up to date, including WooCommerce, you're good to go. However, if you see that there's an update available for some plugins, you'll want to proceed with those updates to ensure you're running the latest and most secure versions. If WooCommerce is not up to date, you'll see it listed among other plugins. This is where you'll begin the actual update process. To update WooCommerce, simply check the box next to its name to select it. Once selected, you'll notice an option appearing at the top or bottom of the list that says Update Now. Click on this, and the update process will begin. The update process should be straightforward and quick, but make sure not to navigate away from the page until it's completed. During the update, it's normal for the page to refresh a few times. Once the update is finished, you'll receive a confirmation message. This message indicates that your plugin is now up to date and your site is running the latest WooCommerce version. Remember, keeping plugins updated is a best practice that helps protect your site from vulnerabilities and ensures you have access to the latest features. That's it for today's tutorial on how to update WooCommerce quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials to get the most out of your WordPress experience.